I'm Albrian Lazaro again, and today I'm going to create my own hydrometer. The materials needed to build the DIY hydrometer are plastic straw, lighter, a glass of water, ruler, permanent marker, scissors, candle, needle, and salt. Cut a small part of the straw, fold the end, and secure it using the melted wax. Add weight to the straw by adding a metal nail inside so that some of the straw sinks when placed in a cup of water. Using a permanent marker, mark a line on your straw precisely at the water level. And the straw submerged to the cold water. I put the straw in the warm water and it gets the same reaction like the cold water. I submerge the straw into the tap water and I get the same reaction. I submerge the straw with sugar and water and still I get the same reaction. Lastly, it's all about tap water versus cooking oil. I submerge the straw with tap water and again, I still get the same reaction. And lastly, I submerge the straw with cooking oil and water and then I see that the straw is above the line of the ruler. Tama.